Okay, sorry for that. I am taking this lecture from the college, so facing some troubles here. Okay, I think please, if there is some issue with my audio, you can unmute yourself and tell me. So this course belongs to a management background. You will find a dedicated specialization for MBA in operations research. Okay, so it has very much scope if you are going for some management studies. Also, this course is very helpful for all the engineers. The reason being, just if you look at the horizon or your future prospect after 5 to 10 years, you all might, and most of you might be working as a managers. Okay, so you need to manage resources, man, machine, or then material or money. So plenty of type of resources you need to manage. So this course is going to help you to do that. Second thing, in your organization or firm, or in your even in your day-to-day life, you need to make decisions. Okay, now when a manager or a person needs to make a decision, he should have some kind of ground rule or some kind of theory which will guide to make a optimum or a sound decision. Okay, so this course OR will try to help you to quantify that decision. Okay, so karna hai ya nahi karna hai. Okay, it will try to give you some kind of guideline to you. So let's start with some origin of this OR. कहाँ से start हुआ ये? Okay, so I hope you are able to hear the sound.
British scientists analysed all available data and
Is
created
it audible?
Yes, sir.
Operational research began in the First World War when science was introduced in order to improve on military operations. In February 1917, German U-boats intensified their assault on Britain's Atlantic supply line, sinking 1 in 10 ships sailing every month. British scientists analysed all available data and created the best possible model to help the convoys survive. They were optimised for size, speed and timings for sailings. Just 6 months later, losses were down to a remarkable 1 in 200, not only saving lives, but critically contributing to the survival of Great Britain. By 1934, analysts had identified a new problem. Simulations showed that in the event of war, German bombers could easily deliver a knockout blow. By 1938, this knockout blow could be delivered in just 24 hours. The British government asked a group of scientists to explore the feasibility of using radio waves to create a death ray which could shoot down or cook approaching bombers. Instead, scientists demonstrated how radio waves could detect and range aircraft, and radar was born. However, technology alone was not enough. Working in close partnership with RAF officers, the new team was able to combine scientific research with operational experience to create the greatest air defence system in the world. This groundbreaking approach was rapidly integrated to a network of both military and civilian defence assets. With operational research, it enabled the earliest possible detection and interception of enemy aircraft. By the Battle of Britain, radar had increased Fighter Command's defensive capability by a factor of 10, and operational research doubled this to a factor of 20. In 1948, the Operational Research Club was founded, which 5 years later became the Operational Research Society. After the war, the scientists and officers involved in this pioneering approach found jobs in government, manufacturing, banking, health services, business, transport, defence, sport, and well beyond, taking the knowledge and insight of operational research with them, where it has been solving problems and supporting decisions with science ever since.
Okay, so I hope it was clear. In the chat window, please let me know. Okay, so let's proceed with the next part. I hope you all got the idea. Also, the impact of OR. It is very widely used in almost all of the sectors. Okay, जितने भी आप सेक्टर देखोगे, फाइनेंस लो या फिर आर्मी, गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर, in almost each and every area, you will find the application of OR. Whenever there is some kind of management or managerial skills, the OR knowledge of OR is very essential. Okay, so again, you will get to know all these details one by one when we study different models. Okay, now if we would like to understand the concept of OR, like to define it, it is very easy. Okay, this OR will try to help you to conduct and coordinate operations. Now operations means not always that hospital wala operation, activities. Now within or with out of organization. Okay, so if you would like to manage, if you would like to solve, if you would like to do kind of some kind of optimization of how do you maximize your output. Okay, the OR models will try to help you. Okay, now for that you need a different set of skills or knowledge. So mathematics, statistics, economics, some part of psychology also is included in OR. The models consist of that, and our engineering knowledge is must or required for OR. Okay, now why this engineering? Because until and unless you try to if you try to understand the system, you should know the systems working. For example, a non mechanical engineer, okay, उसने एक company firm found किया, okay, and he is doing some kind of manufacturing of some component, shaft produce कर रहा है वो. Okay, and if his research team is not consist of mechanical engineer and they want to minimize the total time of production. Okay, तो वो बोल देंगे यार लेथ मशीन पे 10 मिनट की जगह 5 मिनट में जॉब प्रोड्यूस करो. Okay, so this is very unrealistic. Only a mechanical engineer knows that how much time perfect or optimum time for a lathe manufacturing is required for that particular component. Okay, so you need set of skills for engineering, Also, as there is a problem, mathematically we need to solve them. So for that, you need a knowledge of mathematics, probabilities, and statistics. Okay. Then always decision is driven by some kind of monetary gain or loss. Okay. So you need a knowledge of economics. Then the decision, जब भी आपको decision लेना है, there is some kind of tendency or a psychology impact. कुछ लोग ज्यादा डरते हैं डिसीजन लेने में, कुछ लोग they are very easy going and they can take decision quickly. So all those psychology knowledge is also in required for OR. Okay. The bottom line, if you would like to define this OR is nothing but applying all the knowledge. Okay. Be it be mathematics, statistics, economics, psychology, or engineering knowledge to solve a operation, to optimize the gain. ठीक है. So let's look at some bookish definition. OR is nothing but applying scientific methods. Okay, so these scientific methods which we are going to learn ahead to make or to help make a better decision. Next one, an engineering and scientific approach. OR is nothing but engineering and scientific approach for decision making. Using techniques, uh, statistics, mathematics to arrive at optimal solution to solve a complex problem. This may be a definition. Another simple definition, OR is an art of giving bad answers, okay, to the problem to which otherwise अगर आप OR नहीं implement करोगे, the worst answer could be given. Okay, so instead of worse answer, we will go for bad answer. So you can define OR is nothing but application of mathematics, statistics, engineering, scientific approach to go for either optimum solution, or you can use this for taking some kind of decision. Okay, so this OR will go hand in hand for decision making as well as optimization purpose. Okay. Earlier, this course was also known as QDMT, Quantitative Decision Making Technique. Okay, so uh, decision making to करना है आपको, but you need a support of some numbers to justify your decision. Okay, so that's why it was called as a QDMT. Now these names, there are various names. QDMT बोल सकते हैं, OR operations research. The US people call it as a operations research, and UK वाले operational research बोलते हैं, but commonly it is known as a OR. Okay, let's go for the objective कि भाई क्यों use करना है इसको. Okay, now there is a one documentary. I will not bore you or waste your time to show this documentary again. So what I'll do, I'll share this slide along with the link in our WhatsApp group. Whenever you have time, please go through this documentary. Okay, it's only of 17 minutes. So here you will understand the gravity of applications. So where you can find applications of OR. Okay, let's proceed with the next part, that is objective of OR. Why or when we need to use this concept. For example, you are having a, imagine you are a manager in a manufacturing firm, or you are the owner of that manufacturing firm. Okay, so here objective of operations research, the model using and solving the problem will be minimizing the total cost. As you are dealing with the production part, you would like to minimize the total cost, or you will minimize the total time for the production. In turn, it will minimize the total cost. Okay, so that might be your objective. Another example, you are thinking like a entrepreneur or a owner of this firm. Ultimately, you would like to maximize your profit. Okay, so you are going to study, or the scientists, people who are using OR will focus on maximizing the profit. The objective of whole study of OR will be maximizing the profit. Okay, to maximize the profit, you need some decision to be made. Okay, and we will get those into when we study LPP. there might be another situation. You and the competitive firm, the opposite opponent of yours, might be going into the new product or new thing. So, in the condition of competitive environment, you would like to make quick decision. Okay, again, those quick decision should not be hasty decision कि भाई जल्दी से ले लिया कुछ तो भी, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. Okay, even though they are quick in a nature, they should be supported with some quantified values, some numbers. Okay, another situation might be uncertainty. For example, you would like to purchase a stock. Okay, so you love Tata Motors. Okay, and you would like to purchase a stock of Tata Motors. So directly ले लोगे क्या? नहीं. You are going to study the firm. You are going to study some numbers, and you are going to apply a model from OR to make a decision कि भाई stock purchase करूँ या फिर अभी hold करूँ this idea, or I'll cancel the idea of purchasing stock of Tata Motors. Okay, so under uncertainty, because stock is an uncertain environment, पता नहीं आपको आगे ऊपर जाएगा या नीचे जाएगा. Okay, so to make sound decision, you are going to take a help of OR. Okay, so these are some of the objective of studying implementing OR. ठीक है. Next phase is how do we proceed with applying OR technique. Okay, so OR has plenty of models into it. वहाँ पे बहुत सारे techniques है, तो वो implement करना है. How do we proceed? So first thing, if you look at the earlier slide, you know the objective of OR might be, let's take maximization of profit, maximizing the profit. आपने choose कर लिया कि मुझे मेरे कंपनी का प्रॉफिट बढ़ाना है मुझे. Okay, so this is a general statement कि भाई maximizing the profit. So first thing you need to do, you need to quantify everything. So maximize the profit means you need to formulate a problem कि भाई profit कैसे बढ़ेगा जब मेरा प्रोडक्ट A प्रोडक्ट B प्रोडक्ट C प्रोडक्ट इनका डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन प्रोडक्शन ज्यादा होगा या फिर इनका कॉस्ट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कॉस्ट कम होगा, then I'll achieve the maximum profit. So you are going to put the numbers कि भाई ए प्रोडक्ट में मेरा प्रॉफिट है 20 रुपए पर यूनिट. Okay, so 20 into x1 will be number of components you are going to manufacture for or of category A or product A, plus the profit made by some other product. So ऐसे आप एक formula बनाओगे. So that will be your first objective. Then you are going to study the system, and भाई प्रॉफिट तो बढ़ाना है मतलब सब काम कम कर दोगे क्या आप? नहीं, you need some data, you need some constraint. Okay, so all those will be defined by some variable name, x2 x1 वगैरह वगैरह आप डालोगे. रिसोर्सेज देखोगे कि भाई आप तो मैन्युफैक्चर कर रहे हो स्टील और आपके पास मैक्सिमाइज प्रोडक्शन करना है. ओके, तो बट आपके पास स्टॉक ही अवेलेबल नहीं है स्टील का. you have only 20 ton of steel, you cannot manufacture more than that, right? So those constraints you need to express in a mathematical form. उसको mathematics में formula में सब रिलेशन वगैरह एक्सप्रेस करना पड़ेगा. उसके बाद यू आर गोइंग टू स्टडी दैट सिस्टम एंड इम्प्लीमेंट सम काइंड ऑफ मॉडल. जो रेडीमेड ओआर टेक्निक का या मॉडल अवेलेबल होगा उसमें वो फिट करोगे आप. It might be a transportation model, it might be a resource allocation model, sequencing model, or queuing theory. Okay, then you will solve that model and get the solution कि finally कुछ ना कुछ मिलेगा आपको. Okay, now directly you are not gonna say that I am going to implement this model into my firm. Instead of that, you are going to first test the model. So for that, there are some techniques under simulation. Okay, deliberately we have removed that part because this is very complex and it's an advanced topic of OR simulation, Monte Carlo simulation, for example. Okay, so you are going to put the solution into the simulation part and see कि भाई ये आपका solution real में answer दे रहा है कि नहीं. After that you are going to establish control over the solution. That means आपने जो भी decision variables choose किए x1 x2 x3 उनके ऊपर आप क्या करोगे, सेट लिमिट्स करोगे, भाई कैसे कंट्रोल करना है, व्हाट थिंग्स वी नीड टू मॉडिफाई इन आवर सिस्टम. Okay, so all the control parameter you are going to establish, and after that you are going to implement that OR into our system. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपके ओआर ने बताया कि भाई आप प्रोडक्ट ए का मैन्युफैक्चरिंग 100 यूनिट पर मिनट करना है या पर डे करना है. ओके, so then you are going to procure some raw material, you are procure some machines and then implement it. Okay, so that will be your last and important step, implementation. So these are some steps. Okay, next, models under OR. As this OR is very specialized topic, it's a vast topic. Even there is some graduate courses under OR. We cannot study each and every one. Okay, because the course is of only 3 credit. So under models of OR, there are plenty of models, out of which our concern is of a mathematical models of OR, because वहाँ पे अलग-अलग available है. In that again, mathematical models, we are not going to cover each and every one. So for example, mathematical or statistical technique are very shrewd methods. थोड़ा programming वगैरह करने के लिए भी difficult है. Then there is inventory model. The aim of this is to have optimum inventory in the system or in the firm, so that there will be not lack of the component, और बैठे बैठे सिर्फ कॉस्ट बढ़ा रहे, वो ऐसा भी नहीं होना चाहिए. ओके, सो हाउ टू कंट्रोल दैट, रिप्लेसमेंट एनालिसिस, allocation, sequencing models, per CPM. Okay, all these models are comes under OR. Okay, operations research, and we will see few of them. You will find that there are some things like reliability theory. This is a dedicated course. Okay, so बहुत ही vast models है. Then let's proceed with the last part, that is a limitation of OR. चलो प्रेस तो कर दिया हमने कि भाई OR बहुत अच्छा है, ये है वो है, but there are some limitation to OR also. First and most important limitation is, not always we can quantify influencing factors in the OR model. Okay, तो हर चीज तो आप quantify नहीं कर सकते, right? For example, imagine a manager who have experience of 25 years in the same field. Okay, so with his experience he knows how the market works, how it goes up and down, how supply demand gets changed, how the new technology is going to influence the profit or the cost. Okay, now that part is with experience. You cannot quantify it. You cannot quantify that, even the impact of new technology. Okay, so 5G technology on your firm, generally it is very difficult to quantify them. So some of the factors, even though they are influencing, it is very difficult to quantify. So this is one of the limitation. Another limitation is, not in each and every category you can apply OR. If you look at that video, you will find the application of OR is in government sector, in health बहुत ज़्यादा यूज होता है, मेडिकल फील्ड में OR. You will find the application of OR in the defense industry, day-to-day activity, stock, everywhere. Okay, but even though, even in your agricultural industry also you can implement the OR, but there are some categories where or applications where OR fails, or we should not implement OR. For example, charity firm. Okay, because OR का main फंडा क्या है कि it try to optimize the gain, maximize the gain. Okay, but when you do a charity work, there is emotions involved. You don't want to quantify it, or you don't want to put it into a rupees numbers. Okay, so in some category you need to skip the OR. Then sometimes another limitation or the problem with OR is expressing each and every part of your system in the form of number, equation, inequality conditions, and it gives you a huge problem. बहुत बड़ा numbers equations बन जाते हैं. So sometimes it is very troublesome to solve that problem. It involves huge calculation. Okay, so this is one of the limitation. Okay, so it is based on your problem statement. Another, at the implementation stage of OR, you may face the resistance from employee or stakeholder. For example, हमने imagine करो, the college takes a drastic decision regarding some change in the courses or some change in the examination pattern itself. Okay, so it is going to directly hamper student. So always अगर change हो रहा है, there are some group or there are some people they try to resist it. Okay, so you may face that kind of a resistance. Another example, you solve the OR problem. आपने देखा, to maximize the profit, what I need to do, I need to slack some members or laborers. कुछ लोगों को काम से निकालना पड़ेगा. Okay, so this is very drastic decision, and always there will be resistance from the employee. Another, totally आपने OR टेक्निक इंप्लीमेंट किया एंड यू ऑप्टेन द आंसर कि भाई बहुत अच्छा एक नया टेक्नोलॉजी इंप्लीमेंट करना है, पूरा ऑटोमेशन करने वाला है. ओके, सो अगेन एट दैट टाइम ऑल्सो द एम्प्लॉय विल रजिस्ट कि भाई ये नया काम कौन, ये नया सॉफ्टवेयर कौन सीखेगा, एटसेट्रा. ओके, सो यू माइट face some resistance here. So this is one of the limitation of OR. Okay, so that's it from another last one. Decision cannot be governed by quantitative consideration alone. That means कभी कभी you need to go with your gut feeling also. Okay, like मैंने बताया था कि मैनेजर विथ वास्ट एक्सपीरियंस, उसका गट फीलिंग, उसका एक्सपीरियंस कुछ अलग डिसीजन दे सकता है. एंड योर ओआर टेक्निक माइट गिव यू सम कि भाई ये चीज करनी चाहिए, बट द इंट्यूशंस और गट फीलिंग और द एक्सपीरियंस में सजेस्ट अदरवाइज, दूसरा डिसीजन लेने को बोल सकता है. ओके, सो नॉट ऑलवेज ओआर will give you the correct or the best possible solution. So there are some emotions also or psychological tendencies also need to be taken care. Okay, it is going to give you some kind of guideline, but सिर्फ OR पे नहीं चलेगा. Okay, you need some experience. So that's it from the limitation part. uh, so I will limit the lecture, today's lecture, up to this portion. If you have any queries or doubt, let me know. Give me some time to post link for today's attendance. Okay, you can unmute yourself if you have any doubt. Okay. And remember, this will be the sorry, today and tomorrow's lecture will be little theoretical. After that, no theory part will be there. Most of the time we will be working with the numericals only. I request all of you, if possible, today or tomorrow, please